All right, so in this video, I have my buddy Yaniv, co-founder and CMO of Nextiva, here to talk about hiring great marketers and what to focus on. So when it comes to doing this marketing stuff, there's like so many things to do, right? There's this new tool, there's this new platform, there's this new channel, costs are going up, my competitors eating my lunch, there's just so many things going on, right? So actually one of our themes for this year is focusing and about saying no to more people, right? I actually got an investment opportunity today and I had to say no, this is my year of focusing. And also hiring great marketers is extremely hard. Like hiring people is already hard enough, but so many marketers, when you interview them, they talk the talk, and it's really hard to figure out how you can kind of really understand, like, do they really know what they're doing and have they done what they claim to know, right? So there's a lot of that, and trust me, I lost my shirt multiple times doing this. So Yaniv's got it, he knows how to keep his shirt on, it's great. So without further ado, welcome Yaniv.
Hey everyone, this is Yaniv Masjedi with Nextiva. Finding a great marketer isn't easy. Many people say that they are great marketers, but when it comes down to it, there are very few people out there that are truly excellent. Let me tell you about the 3 things I look for in great marketers. First, and most importantly, it's finding people that absolutely love marketing, people that truly want to be the absolute best at what they do. So if you're looking for a growth marketer, you want someone that lives and breathes growth marketing, morning till night, thinking about how they can get better and learn. Second is you want someone that's always focused on moving things forward, getting things done, not just sitting around waiting to be told what to do, rather identifying opportunities and realizing, quite frankly, that we're never done. We can always be better. And third is you want someone that respects themselves and also respects others. Just a great addition to your team and cares about building and fostering a great environment. So those are the 3 things I look for, and hopefully you'll find your next great marketer too. How to get your marketing team focused on the right things. You see, today, there's more areas in marketing to take on, and it's just becoming overwhelming. And I'm sure you feel that, right? You want to grow the business, but there's just so many areas to really focus on. And how do you really grow the business? Well, I've got a simple answer. Focus on one metric. Each person on your team, have them focus on one metric that will drive the business forward. So let's say you have someone that focuses on SEO. Have them focus purely on how they increase organic traffic week over week. You have a social media manager. Have them focus on engagement on one channel that's most important to your business, one social media channel. By having each person on your team focus on one metric, what you'll see is you're gonna cut out the noise and focus on what's most important for your business, and you're gonna accelerate growth. My one big takeaway for you is if you can focus on one thing and have everyone on your team focus on one key metric, your business will grow.
So I hope you enjoyed those tips around hiring, around marketing, and kind of focusing too. Let us know kind of who you plan to hire in the future. Let us know, oh man, don't let us know who you plan on firing. That would be bad, okay? Don't let us know that, right? But let us know what you plan on focusing on as well. And then don't forget to check out one of our videos around how personality tests can help you grow your business. Again, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you tomorrow.